So moving along to the next button in the toolbars, if we were to select this red X, what it will do is it will remove everything that you've selected from the database. That means that if you've got a mess and you want to reset only a certain number of components rather than resetting all of the components, you select them in the list and it will clear them from the database so that you can tidy up the tail end. The same actually does work for both consolidation as well as welded members. I've used this tool myself when I've gotten to the tail end of a project. I've made a lot of changes, and through that process of changing, my marks have skipped a few in their sequential numbering. So I've just gone back to where it started to lose its order, and I've deleted the data from the consolidation database, and then I've just Control Q, Control S is the function to kick off the consolidation. I'll show you that later as we go. The Control Q and the Control S fires off consolidation, and it will then present a consolidation changes interface for you to select which items you want to process and in which order.